Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to Trending News. Remember to like and subscribe. So in today's video, Rosalee come out to defend herself. Rosalee say, yo, everything with GX say a lie. You see it? But she allude to one of the truth. She say, yo, she did have a cutting implement pan her. You see it? To defend herself. Rose say, yo, she only came to Seaview to pick up her sister. You see me? Because, you know, them a try to keep them relationship going and things. So she never see GX. You see it? GX make a big deal out of the situation. You see it? But nonetheless, she say, yo, she just have that thing there to defend herself, just in case GX act up and go on with the most. You see me? But me the things from Rose move out from Seaview, I think say they ended up work on this co-parenting thing. So I don't understand how the relationship are revert. You get me? So make me know what you think. You see it? Them just they say them a co-parent, then all of a sudden them are enemies again. GX say, yo, Rosalee send man for PG man thing, and you know, the saga continue. But we want some intervention before this get out of hand, you see me? But remember to like and subscribe.
Draft me draft where me a draft for. Come now, go make him lick me. Me see this man, I'm a yard me go to me come for my sister. Me I provoke you? I went for my sister. Me no see you. I'm a yard me go. In my yard me go. So me I provoke you. You wanna move and go here? Cause you don't like Rose. I'm a yard me go. For my sister. Yeah. Can them can come over, come spend 1 hour, 2 days with me. Any one of them, you're free. Except my mama. Cause she gone now one book, I no want go in her. And my sister me go for me go fear. Send go pick up her son and them day here. Oi, left dog. Left him man, but you left him.
No, Papa.
You can tell me I can't go see because I'm going to see it even my sister me provoke you. Something is wrong with all on the internet. But I want him not to tell me now. I not fight no more. I embrace myself for the worst.
Come. Let her come.
Me not in a no more fighting. I sit, embrace myself for the worst. And when me know that comes, me know the donkey and the careless. Me know the donkey and the carelessness at every situation. There's a lot of things that I want to say and I'm not going to. And sometimes I try to ask a certain thing, they're gonna bash me. I'm gonna take it. As always. There's a lot of things I can say here. And I know when they're saying it's got, you know when I say it, it's gonna ruin all barrier. I can't say it and I can't show it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna hold apart and my composure. I'm gonna turn to myself, say from yesterday, I'm gonna sit here and prepare my mindset for what is coming. So I just make sure I put down my therapy session money for going to therapy go ball. Because as I said yesterday, the kids them are young, easy manipulated and easy strayed. You have to stern on them. I was young once. I know exactly what I'm talking about. You know, I fit about proper guidance and proper care. Stay put. Because sometimes people have that proper guidance and proper care, and them not put. I know what I'm talking about. Sometimes people have proper guidance, proper supervision, proper care, and then becomes the worst. I have seen it. I have grown to see it. I have knowledge all of this. The key thing in life to stay is put. Stay put. Stay one place. Stay out of your eyes and that's out of problem. I know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna come explain to you because sometimes someone long old woman or come like when you mix one bottle of syrup and it done and you don't fill the bottle with that water and throw the syrup in it. You don't fill the bottle of water with and throw the look bit of syrup in it. I want to shake it so and drink it still fresh or someone who hold long out. And I'm not stay with you. Come on for my name. Because there's things that I'm not going to say to prove nothing to none of you. And to want to have work with it. Me not going to prove nothing to you because I don't have time for that. Work with it. Please. Me not clear no ear. And the tour you get and work with it. Yeah. You know what I talk about? I embrace myself. Because there's a lot of things running through my mind. And who feels it knows it. And someone who nah feel what me I feel. Someone who nah feel what me I feel. There's someone who will never understand exactly what I'm talking about. Never. So I'm not waste my time. Yeah. Try me look too weird. I'm not waste my time.